Hello gorgeous people, my name is Sukanya. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a detailed shower routine focused on hair care. Due to the changing weather and increased humidity, my hair quality has definitely degraded. And the ends have gotten super dry. So it is time for an intensive hair care routine. Any hair care routine starts with a good hair oiling ritual. And I'm going to use my DIY hair oil with rosemary essential oil for healthy hair growth. I made this hair oil with a couple of nourishing hair oils and some essential oils to boost healthy and thick hair growth and to control hair fall. So please check out this link video after this video to see the DIY hair oil recipe along with a lot of hair care tips and reviews. Alright then, let us get into the hair oiling routine. Hair oiling is one of the oldest and most effective rituals for maintaining healthy, strong and shiny hair. In this routine, I'll show you the simple steps to nourish your scalp and strands with hair oil the right way. Start by parting your hair into sections. This makes it easier to reach the scalp and ensures even application. Take a small amount of oil and then gently massage it into your scalp using circular motions. This stimulates blood circulation, relaxes the scalp and allows the oil to penetrate deeper. Once the scalp is covered, run the excess oil through the lengths of your hair. Focus especially on the mid-lengths and ends, since they tend to be the driest. Avoid pouring too much oil as the hair only needs a thin, nourishing layer. Leave the oil on for at least a couple of hours or overnight for deeper conditioning. When practiced regularly, hair oiling helps strengthen roots, reduce dryness and bring back natural shine, leaving your hair looking healthier and more manageable. So the hair oiling along with the head massage was done like an hour ago. But since the ends of my hair are too dry nowadays, I am going to use a hair mask to add some moisture to the ends of my hair. So let me introduce you to the Sacred Grove Condition Repair Hair Mask with marshmallow root and flaxseed. Sacred Grove brand makes all their hair care products with mostly natural and organic ingredients to nourish our scalp and hair naturally. This is a very nourishing and conditioning hair mask. We get 200-gram product for rupees 1200 on Amazon. And I absolutely love the packaging in all black color. Now let us see the product. So this is how it looks. It's like all black color gel consistency. This is how the product looks and this is the consistency. It doesn't have any artificial added perfume, so it smells pretty organic and herbal. This is a pre-shampoo hair mask which is to be applied to our dry hair 30 minutes before the hair wash. So let us get into the application. A hair mask is like a deep treatment that gives your hair the extra care it needs. First, make a hair partition. Then take a generous amount of the hair mask in your palms and begin applying it from the mid-lengths to the ends. These areas are usually the driest and most prone to damage. Once the lengths are coated, use any leftover product on the ends. Gently distribute the product evenly through your hair, ensuring every strand is covered. It is infused with marshmallow root and flaxseed along with some other beneficial herbs that close our hair cuticles and add softness to strands. Then we leave our hair as it is and let the mask sit for 30 to 40 minutes. This is the time when the nourishing ingredients work deeply to repair, hydrate and strengthen our hair. After this, it is time for the hair wash. Start by wetting your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. This helps loosen dirt and build up while preparing your scalp for cleansing. Because of the hair conditioning hair mask, we need to use a very gentle and lightweight shampoo. So I'll be using this green apple shampoo for normal hair type by Indrani Cosmetics. As you can already see, I absolutely love this shampoo and it is almost finished now. This is a very gentle and lightweight nourishing shampoo that balances the hair's pH level and helps remove dirt from the scalp. Washing your hair with a gentle shampoo is one of the best ways to keep your scalp clean while protecting your hair's natural moisture. Take a small amount of the shampoo and apply it directly to your scalp and roots, since that's where oil and buildup collect the most. Use your fingertips and not your nails to gently massage your scalp in circular motions. This stimulates blood circulation, lifts away dirt, and feels incredibly relaxing. Let the lather naturally run down the length of your hair as you rinse. Avoid piling your hair on top of your head as this can cause tangles and breakage. Now leave your hair as it is and move on to the body wash routine. I'm using this Rose Body Wash by Think Skin, which is a lightweight and gentle shower gel with the goodness of rose flavor. A rose-infused shower gel is a luxurious way to cleanse while leaving your skin soft, fresh and delicately scented. Begin by rinsing your body with warm water to open up the pores and loosen impurities. Take a small amount of the rose shower gel onto a loofah and work it into a rich, fragrant lather. Gently cleanse your skin in circular motions, starting from your shoulders and working your way down. This not only cleanses but also stimulates circulation and helps the calming rose fragrance envelop your senses, creating a spa-like experience at home. Pay extra attention to areas prone to sweat or dryness like underarms, elbows and knees. Once your skin feels cleansed, pampered and refreshed, rinse thoroughly with water. Then rinse your hair as well. Make sure all the lather and residual product are gone. I always end my shower with cold water to close and tighten up the pores. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and avoid rubbing harshly to maintain smoothness. I feel super fresh but a little cold at the same time. So now it is time for after shower hair care routine. I'm going to use this rosemary hair growth serum by Mystic Living that makes only plant-based nourishment for our hair care and skincare products. This rosemary and redensil hair growth serum stimulates hair growth, reduces hair fall and strengthens the hair root. We get 30 ml product for Rs 5.99 on Amazon. Now let us see the product inside. Wow, it is so cute and sleek. This is how the bottle looks. And now let us get into the application. Mystic Living Rosemary Hair Growth Serum is a high efficacy hair growth treatment which works on 3 stages of the hair life cycle: formulation, growth and protection. This hair serum has highly concentrated active ingredients like redensil and again keratin with rich nourishment of plant extracts of rosemary, brahmi, amla, argan and onion oil. Rosemary oil is the most active stimulant of blood circulation in hair follicles, promoting hair growth. Redensil activates stem cells in the hair follicles to produce new hair strands and again prolongs the active hair growth phase, preventing premature hair shedding. And keratin forms a protective layer preventing hair breakage. This is a lightweight serum that is a leave-on treatment that absorbs quickly and is suitable for everyday use. It restores hair vitality and density, making your hair fuller and lustrous. Directly apply a few drops of the hair serum to the hair roots and the scalp. Then massage it in circular motion using your fingertips. Ensure the serum is evenly distributed and absorbed into the scalp. Use it regularly over a minimum of 60 to 75 days to see visible results. Now to add some external shine to our hair, I'm going to use this Tresemme Silk Press Finisher Hair Serum for a sleek and well-groomed hair look. If you also want a perfectly aligned hair look, then apply this Finisher Hair Serum every time you step out. Its potent blend infused with 20 amino peptides can penetrate deeply, instantly smoothing our hair without any oil buildup or greasy finish. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of this leave-in hair serum on your slightly damp hair. Start from the mid-length and work to the ends and enjoy a sleek and well-groomed hair look. That is it for my detailed shower routine focused on hair care. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and learned from my hair care and shower routines. Also, do not forget to check out the video to learn about my DIY hair oil recipe. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also share it with other skincare and self-care lovers. If you like watching skincare, hair care and all kinds of self-care routines with tips and product reviews, then please subscribe to my channel to support me and my content and become a part of my small netizen fam. Also, please connect with me on other social media handles and comment below your genuine feedback on this video. I would love to know your thoughts on such hair care and shower routines. Also, let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. Alright then, bye bye gorgeous people. I'll see you all in my next video.